In this video, I'll show you how to download and install LibreOffice on your Windows computer or laptop step by step. LibreOffice is a free office software suite that you can use to create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and also presentations. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and search LibreOffice. Open this website. In the top, click Download, then click Download LibreOffice. And here, select your operating system. I have Windows, so I'm gonna select Windows, then click Download. Wait for it until it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, open Downloads folder and open this file. Click Next. Here, click Next again. And here, click Install. Here, you're just going to wait for it until it's installed. This is all you need to do to download and install LibreOffice on your Windows computer laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.